Hello and welcome to my Slow English podcast. Today I want to share with you a fact. The impact of technology on attention. Modern technology has a strange impact on our attention span. Because of constant notification and social media, many people find it difficult to concentrate for a long period. This frequent interruption reduce deep focus and producibility. Researchers explain that the brain prefers instant stimulation instead of sustained effort. When we quickly switch between apps or tasks, our concentration becomes fragmented over time. This habit can weaken cognitive performance and make complex tasks feel exhausting. However, technology is not entirely negative. If used wisely, it can enhance learning and communication. The key is to use it with awareness and self-discipline. In in conclusion, technology can either distract or empower us. Its influence depends on how consciously we use it. Hello and welcome to my Slow English podcast. Today I want to share you a fact. Why the brain likes stories more than facts. An interesting fact about the human brain is that it understands and remembers stories better than pure facts. Forget them. When people hear numbers or statistics, they often forget them quickly. When the same information is told as a story, it stays longer in the mind. Stories activate more parts of the brain. When we listen to a story, we imagine places, people, and emotions. The brain acts as if we are experiencing the story ourselves. This is why stories can be powerful tools in education, advertising, and even politics. For example, saying many people are poor is fact, but it is not very memorable. However, telling the story of one poor family, their daily struggle, and their hopes creates an emotional connection. People are more likely to remember the message and care about it.